Hi, in this video, we're going to be going over how to become a remote online notary in the state of Utah. So at BlueNotary, we've got a simple step-by-step guide that's going to walk you through this process. It's available as a link in the description of this video below. And once you click that link, you're going to be brought here where you can just scroll down a little bit and see the full step-by-step guide. It's a quick guide, so nothing to worry about, but let's just go through it together just to make sure there's not any confusion. So step number one is you're going to need to fill out the application form. If you click this link, it's going to bring you to the form itself directly from the Utah government website. And you're going to need to fill in all your information here. And eventually you're going to submit this form to the Secretary of State. Step number two is you're going to need to select a Utah state approved remote notary vendor. And our best recommendation for this is to select BlueNotary.us, the best online notarization platform for individual notaries as well as businesses. Step number three is you're going to need to obtain an additional $5,000 notary bond writer from your surety company. This brings your bond total to $10,000. A notary is also able to contact the Utah Secretary of State if they're unsure of who they're bonded through. Step number four, and this is part of why we recommend BlueNotary, is you need to obtain an electronic seal and signature. These are available for free. If you click this link here, it's going to give you a guide on how you can get your digital certificate, your e-seal, and your e-signature, and how to output a sample file that has all of these items on it. You basically just sign into your account, you're going to click Session Simulator, and you're going to be good to go. But if you watch this video tutorial, it's going to have more specifics on this. Let's get back to the guide. Step number five is you're going to need to submit your application, bond writer, and PDF file sample document that contains that e-signature and seal to notary@utah.gov. Step number six is you're going to need to pay a $50 application fee, and your payment instructions are going to be sent to you via email as soon as the Lieutenant Governor's office has reviewed your submitted documents. So if you actually come to that form here, you're going to see this list of instructions. It's the same here as well, as far as getting the extra bond, paying the application fee, e-seal, e-signature, and shipping this off to the Lieutenant Governor's office while awaiting for payment information. But the very last step is you're going to receive confirmation from the Lieutenant Governor's office. And once you have received this confirmation, then you are officially approved from the state and you are able to begin performing remote online notarizations. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please follow along, like, and subscribe. We've got plenty more useful information on online notarization for you on the way.
Are you interested in getting a feel for what an online notarization session would feel like before going through the approval process? You can open up a free account at app.bluenotary.us/business/register. We've left a link in the description on how you can make a free account and left you with a video tutorial of every feature on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the customer support chat in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your notary journey.